Welcome to Data Engineers Academy. In this video, we will load CSV data from Google Cloud Storage into BigQuery using CLI and Web UI, and then export query results back to GCS as a CSV file. First, create and upload CSV. First, create an employees.csv file containing employee ID, name, department, and salary. Open command prompt and check the current Google Cloud project using gcloud config getValue project. Next, create a cloud storage bucket. gcloud storage buckets create GS employee data bucket 2026 location is equal to US. Now upload the CSV file. Using this command, we can upload the file that we have created at the starting of the video into Google Cloud. Verify the upload using this command. Now, load GCS data into BigQuery using CLI. Create the BigQuery dataset using the command bqmk and choose your dataset name. Check whether the dataset is created or not using bqls. Then load the CSV from GCS into BigQuery using the command bqload source_format is equal to CSV skip_leading_rows is equal to 1. Then mention dataset, table name, bucket name, and schema as shown in the command. This loads the GCS CSV into the employees table. Verify the table with bqls employee_GCS_dataset and check the data using select statement. The employee records should now appear. Here we need to do the same using Web UI. Loading data using BigQuery Web UI. Now let's perform the same process using the BigQuery Web UI. Open BigQuery, select employee_GCS_dataset and choose Create Table. Select Google Cloud Storage as the source. Under that, click Browse option. In this, we have created a bucket at the starting of the video. Now select that bucket and open the file that has uploaded in it previously. If not uploaded, upload it using CLI and select CSV as file format. Choose employee_GCS_dataset as the destination and create the table as student. Set the schema as autodetect, then click Create Table. Open the table and select Preview to verify the data. Query and export results. Now, let's query the students table and find students who scored more than 85 marks. The results include Priya, Kiran, and Anu. Next, we export these query results to a CSV file using the BigQuery CLI. We can verify the file with the dir command and open it using Notepad. Finally, we upload the student_result.csv file to our GCS bucket and verify that both the original student file and the result file are available. This completes the student data export process. Result: CSV in the bucket. Conclusion: and that's it. We successfully loaded data from GCS to BigQuery using both CLI and Web UI, queried the data, exported the results to CSV, and uploaded the CSV back to GCS. Thank you for watching. For further details, contact Data Engineers Academy. Thank you.